Hey everyone, thanks for joining in and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to thank each and every one of you for 1,000 subscribers. So on January 10th, I woke up and I realized, oh my gosh, I have 1,000 subscribers. I finally hit a huge milestone that I've been waiting for so long. So again, I just appreciate all of your support, all the comments, all the likes, all the watch time, and how humbling it is for me and how blessed I feel. So thank you so much. I've made videos on nutrition, how to make green tea, cooking, arts and crafts, acrylic pour painting. So just to name a few, I've got plenty of content on my channel, so I'm super excited to be able to do this. And again, I just appreciate all your support. You all may have noticed that I said watch time, and you're probably like, what the heck is that? So when you're a YouTube content creator, there's two prerequisites that you have to fulfill before becoming monetized. So one of them is 1,000 subscribers. So I just hit that one, but the next one is being able to accumulate 4,000 watch hours. So yes, I have to create or be able to accumulate 4,000 watch hours from all my YouTube videos, and the audience has to be able to click on my video and be able to accumulate that much watch time until I can become monetized. Since starting my YouTube channel on March 22nd, 2020, and it is now the 10th of January, I've accumulated and have created 46 videos. So when I post this video, it would be my 47th video. As a content creator, it's really cool because we can download this application called YouTube Studio. And what this kind of shows us is the analytics of what is going on with our YouTube videos. It shows us how much watch time we've accumulated on each video, how many views we've gotten, how long is the average of each person staying on that video. So for example, if I have a 10-minute video and people are only staying on that video for about 1 minute, then that's telling YouTube that people really aren't interested in this video and it's not really going to share or project it out to other people to see it. I'm currently averaging about 30 hours per day of accumulated watch time. It's been about 10 months now since I've created my channel and I've accumulated the 1,000 subscribers, and I only need 300 watch hours remaining until I become monetized. But it's really cool because I can see people visiting my channel from other countries, the United Kingdom, Australia, United States. I can see what age category people are watching it, like was the majority of people in their 20s, are they in their 30s, 40s? And also what geographical location they're actually from. So that's just really cool to be able to see those type of things. Also, I've noticed that about 65,000 people have actually come to visit my channel, but I have seen where YouTube has actually projected to over 500,000 people called impressions. So YouTube will give you a suggested video to watch after the video that you just finished, and those are called impressions. Only about 6% of you have come to my actual channel of a suggested video that you've seen that I did that YouTube is advertising. So 6% of the 500,000. So it's really cool just to be able to see that. And then also, I did notice that only 3% of my audience is subscribed to my YouTube channel. So that means that 97% of the people who are watching my content is not subscribed. So it's really important that if you want to support a content creator or someone who's projecting out YouTube videos, that you subscribe and you like and you comment on their videos, because YouTube is constantly grading them on all these analytics. If any of you are actually interested in wanting to start your own YouTube channel, remember the first prerequisite is just getting 1,000 subscribers, which is just the milestone that I just accomplished. Secondly, you have to be able to accumulate 4,000 watch hours within a 1-year period. And then lastly, once you meet those two prerequisites, you can create your own AdSense account. Now, an AdSense account is an account where you can manage and track all of your ads that are being placed on your videos as you become monetized, because you're going to be getting paid from YouTube for your videos, plus you're going to be getting paid from the ads of the companies of the people that's placing those advertisements on your videos. So you're going to essentially have two different sources of income. So that's how the AdSense account comes into play. I hope some of this information really helps you guys understand how to become monetized, how YouTube works, how it's constantly grading content creators' videos. Again, I really appreciate each and every one of you for the support and me gaining 1,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. I feel so blessed. I feel so humbled. So thank you so much for all your comments, all your likes, all of your watch time, and I will continue to keep providing wonderful content for you guys. And if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I am willing to answer any questions that you guys may have. And again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.